Ma'am, would you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give should be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
And what would you like to do regarding signature?
Immunity. It's a concept that generally describes a protection or exemption from something, especially an obligation or penalty. But when that concept is applied to criminal behavior, what does it really mean?
Okay.
Okay. Ms. Grice, my name is Bill Helfand. I'm one of the attorneys who represents Officer Younger, who is the sole remaining defendant in the lawsuit that you filed. Do you understand who I am?
Yes, sir.
Are you aware of the fact that everyone else that you've sued besides Officer Younger has been dismissed from the lawsuit?
335, suspect withdrew consent. We'll have to get the warrant. I don't want to hear it. Shut your mouth.
Look at my record ever. Look at any. Have I ever had even a...
Did that change the fact that you were driving drunk today?
Have I had anything?
Come on. Come on.
Anything
Come on.
against myself.
If you don't come over here, I'm going to pull you out. Let's go.
You are a hard case.
And you are a drunk driver.
8 years ago, I was pulled over for a DUI. Yes, I was drinking. And I make no excuses for what I did that day. Driving under the influence of alcohol is always unequivocally wrong. But my first-time DUI didn't end up like the approximately 1 million DUI arrests made per year in the U.S. Mine ended in a police brutality incident that has left me with lifelong consequences.
Do not do it again. Stop. Do not pull away. Stay on the ground now.
The witness needs to answer the question, and then we ask another question. Now, Ms. Grutt, tell me the name or names of any doctor who has told you you required medical care for anything related to your arrest by Officer Young.
The years-long medical fallout of my assault includes a bleeding, swollen brain that requires a several-day stay in the neuro ICU of a Houston area hospital, grand mal seizures, the loss of my ability to speak, followed by an emergency craniotomy to address a brain bleed that never fully resolved.
Objection, that misstates the rules and also the commentary on what most judges would say, that most questions are yes and no answers. I disagree that most judges would say it would be a yes or no answer.
Randall, you're going to need to confine yourself to legal objections and not coach your client through your objections, or we're going to stop and go visit the judge. So
my story involves an old, morally corrupt U.S. District Court judge, a team of hack personal injury lawyers, one idealistic civil rights attorney, a compassionate cop, and, just to add fuel to the fire, Hurricane Harvey. Because when it rains, it pours.
I would need to look at the list of all of the emergency doctors from the night of August 18th at the hospital I was treated at the night of the incident. And
She's got a hematoma on her eye that we'd like y'all to check out.
I'll do it over the radio.
She was resisting, so I put her on the ground. She busted her head on the concrete.
which is why they sent me to the neuro ICU. So any of the doctors that I interacted with in the night that I was seen at, I believe it was Memorial Hermann Southwest, every single doctor demanded essentially or mandated that I stay not just in the emergency room, but in the neuro ICU for 3 days.
Ms. Grice, anything other than the video that you would point to show that you were slammed to the ground, as you say, by Officer Younger, versus that you fell to the ground in a drunken state while you were resisting being handcuffed?
I would have to say the video. No, there's other proof, just the video and eyewitnesses, yes.
Your testimony is that an objective person watching the video can see that you were slammed to the floor of the fire station as opposed to you fell while resisting being handcuffed.
Yes.
That's on the video.
Yes.
We can see that on the video. Okay. That's your testimony?
That is my testimony.
Did you file a complaint against Officer Younger with the Bel Air Police Department?
No.
Did you file a complaint with the FBI's Office of Civil Rights?
No.
Did you complain to the Texas Commission on Law Enforcement regarding Officer Younger's conduct?
Nope.
I may not have been ready to speak up 8 years ago, but I'm ready to tell my story now.